Hello my dear students, welcome to the Abacus class. Today we are going to start our next level, that is third A. This level is for the second class students and the revision part for class 3rd, class 4th and class 5th. So let's begin. Our topic in this level is that is small friends. Here we will talk about the small friends. So what are small friends, or which numbers we can say that these numbers are known as small friends. Numbers that come under 5, those numbers are known as small friends. Under 5 means below 5. Which numbers comes below 5, those numbers are known as small friends. जो numbers 5 से पहले आते हैं, those numbers are known as small friends. 5 से पहले कौन कौन से नंबर आते हैं? 5 से पहले आता है 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 numbers are known as small friends. Which numbers are known as small friends? 1, 2, 3 and 4. First 4 numbers are known as small friends. Clear? Now, in this topic of small friends, we will talk about first 5 numbers. As we already know that first 4 numbers are known as small friends. So last one, remaining 5 number, that number is known as common friend. 5 is known as common friend. 5 is known the common friend of all the small friends. Now what is common friend? When we are talking about the life, then we are having common friends. Common friend is that person which is having 2 or more friends, but that friends may or may not be knowing each other. Means one person is having 2 or 3 friends. That person is called a common friend. Let us take an example. In this topic, we are talking about first 5 numbers. So I am going to take 5 students' name. Let us suppose Ram, Riya, Sanjana, Ajay, Sonia. These are the 5 students' name. With imagination, we will solve this example. Now suppose Riya is a common friend. Riya is a common friend of all the other persons. Riya is a friend of Ram. Riya is a friend of Sanjana. Riya is a friend of Sonia. Riya is a friend of Ajay. It means Ram is a friend of Riya. Sanjana is also a friend of Riya. Sonia is a friend of Riya. Ajay is also a friend of Riya. It means Riya is a common friend for all the other ones. It is a common friend means Ram also talking with Riya, Sanjana also talking with Riya, Sonia also talking with Riya, Ajay also talking with Riya. So come to your main topic, common friend 5. It means 5 is a friend of 1 also, 5 is a friend of 2 also, 5 is a friend of 3 also, and 5 is a friend of 4 also. It means 5 is the common friend of all the small friends. In this topic, 3 main concepts are there. First one is small friend, second one is common friend, and third one is best friends. Now we know that small friends are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Common friend is 5. Now next is best friend. How we will calculate the best friend? Here one trick is there, means one formula is there to calculate the best friend. So what is the formula? From the common friend subtract your small friend. How we can calculate best friend? From the common friend we have to subtract our small friend. So firstly write your small friends here. Small friends are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to find out the best friend. How we will find out the best friend of 1? Firstly, first small number is 1. So how we will calculate the best friend of 1? So from the common friend, firstly your common friend is for all is 5. So first is 5. So next minus sign, small friend. Now we are talking about 1. So our small friend here is 1. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So 4 is the best friend of 1. Understood? What is the formula? Common friend minus small friend to calculate best friend. Now we have to calculate best friend of 1. So common friend is 5. From the common friend subtract your small friend. Here we are talking about 1, so our small friend is 1. So from 5 we have to subtract 1. So 5 minus 1, your answer is 4. So 4 is the best friend of 1. Clear? Now we are talking about 2. 1 is a best friend of 2. From the common friend is same for all. 5 is the common friend. Subtract your small friend. Now we are talking about 2. Subtract 2. 5 minus 2, your answer is 3. So 3 is the best friend of 2. Now next 3. We have to find the best friend of 3. How we will find out? From the common friend, subtract your small friend. We are talking about 3. So 3 is the small friend. 5 minus 3, your answer is 2. So 2 is the best friend of 3. So now, next number is 4. How we will find the best friend of 4? From the common friend, subtract your small friend. Your small friend is 4. So 5 minus 4, your answer is 1. 1 is best friend of 4. Okay, now, best friend of 1 is 4. Best friend of 2 is 3. Best friend of 3 is 2. And best friend of 4 is 1. Come to example. Now, here Riya is a common friend for all the other friends. So now suppose Ram is a best friend of Ajay. So generally if Ram is a friend of Ajay, best friend of Ajay, then Ajay will be best friend of Ram. If we are having best friend, then if we are having one best friend and that person is our best friend also, that's why we are saying that these two persons are best friends. One person is our best friend and that person, we are the best friend of that person. So that's why if Ram is the best friend of Ajay, then Ajay will be the best friend of Ram. Similarly like that, if one best friend of 1 is 4, then best friend of 4 is 1. Best friend of 4 is 1 and best friend of 1 is 4. Same, for keeping in mind, it is easy when best friend of 1 is 4. Similarly, 4 best friend is 1. If best friend of 3 is 2, then best friend of 2 is 3. So like that, you have to keep in mind that if 1 is having best friend 4, then 4 is having best friend 1, just opposite to each other. Okay, now I'm going to write again. Small friends are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Common friend is 5. Now best friend of 1 is 4, best friend of 2 is 3, best friend of 3 is 2, best friend of 4 is 1. Understood this concept? Now there are small friend formulas are there. Small friend formulas. There are mainly 8 small friend formulas. 4 containing plus sign and 4 containing negative sign. So let's start with plus sign. 4 containing plus sign and 4 containing minus sign. So firstly, write your small friends here. How many small friends are there? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we are going to talk about plus formulas. So keep plus sign in front of the small friends. Now, what is the formula of addition 1? First small friend is 1. So what is the formula of plus 1? That is formula is from the common, add your common friend, subtract your best friend. What is the formula of plus 1? Add your common friend minus subtract your best friend. So what is the common friend of 1? That is 5. Subtract best friend. Who is the best friend of 1? That is 4. We know that. So what is the formula of plus 1? Plus 5 minus 4. Now come to second one, add 2. What is the formula of plus 2? Add your common friend, subtract your best friend. Who is the best friend of 2? 3. So add plus 5 minus 3 is the formula of adding 2. Now what is the formula of add 3? Add your common friend, subtract your best friend. What is the best friend of 3? That is 2. Add 5 minus 2. Now come to the fourth one. What is the formula of plus 4? add your common friend, subtract your best friend. Who is the common friend of 4? 5. Add 5, subtract best friend. Best friend of 4 is 1. So subtract 1. These are 4 formulas containing plus sign. Plus formulas of small friend. Understood? Plus 1 formula is plus 5 minus 4. Every time add your common friend, subtract your best friend. Add your common friend, subtract your best friend. Common friend is same for every time. That is 5 is the common friend of all the small friends. But best friends is different. Best friend of 1 is 4, best friend of 2 is 3, best friend of 3 is 2, best friend of 4 is 1. Now come to negative. There are 4 negative formulas. Firstly, write your small friends and keep minus sign in front of the small friends, because now we are going to start negative formulas. Now what is the formula of minus 4? If we want to subtract 4, then what is the formula for that? This formula is add your best friend, subtract your common friend. Add your best friend, subtract your common friend. So best friend of 4 is 1, add 1, then subtract means minus, common friend of 4 is 5. So what is the formula? Plus 1 minus 5. Now what is the formula of minus 3? Add your best friend, subtract your common friend. So who is the best friend of 3? That is 2. Add 2 minus common friend of 3, 5. So what is the formula of minus 2? Plus 3 minus 5. 3 is the best friend of 2 and 5 is the common friend. Now what is the formula of minus 1? Add best friend. Who is the best friend of 1? 4. Add 4 minus common friend. These 4 formulas are containing negative sign. If we want to add 1, then formula is add your common friend minus your best friend. If we want to add 2, add common friend is 5, best friend is 3, subtract the best friend. And if minus sign, then add your best friend and subtract your common friend. Only one difference is there, that in the plus containing formulas, add your common friend, subtract best friend, but in the minus formulas, add your best friend, subtract your common friend. That is the only game with the 2 numbers, best friend and common friend. Firstly, you have to learn best friends, then only you can solve the formulas and you can apply these formulas on your sums. Now, here you can see that one similar common change is here, that every time small friend 8 formulas starting with plus sign. Every time plus sign is in the front of the formula. Every formula is starting with the plus sign. So keep this thing also in mind. If you are doing to add things, if you are going to subtract any number, then always addition number will become in the first. So these are the 8 formulas. Now one question is there, why we are using these formulas? So why we are using? So its answer is, we will solve one example, then it will be clear. So I am going to take one example. 2, 2, 1. Add 2, add 2, add 1. So if we want to add 1, add 2 on the Abacus scale. This is the Abacus scale. Okay, add 2. It means 2 beads we have to add. 2 is added. Now again add 2. Means 2 more beads we have to add. Now add 2 more beads. Now add 1. But we know that only 4 lower beads are there in the Abacus. How we can add 1? Beads are not there. How we can add? So here for adding 1 we have to apply a formula. So what is the formula of adding 1? Addition 1. Plus sign is there, 1 is there. So plus 1. What is the formula? Add your common friend, subtract your best friend. Common friend is 5. So 5 is the upper bead value. Add 5. Firstly add 5. Then subtract your best friend. Best friend is 4. So we have to subtract these 4 beads. Now, what is the answer of this sum? 5. So understood why we are using these formulas here. 4, because sometimes difficulty to add beads. Beads are not there. Then how we can add? With the help of these formulas, we have to remove some beads and we have to add upper beads, other beads. With the help of these formulas, we can solve the sums. Now we will perform each and every sum with these formula, with the help of 8 formulas. Before going to start the sums, one thing I want to clear, that there are 8 formulas, 4 containing plus sign and 4 containing negative sign. We already learned. I am going to write it again. What is the formula of plus 1? Plus 5 minus 4, plus 2 is equal to plus 5 minus 3, plus 3 is equal to plus 5 minus 2, plus 4 is equal to plus 5 minus 1. And negative sign, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. What are the formulas? Plus 4 minus 5, plus 3 minus 5, plus 2 minus 5, plus 1 minus 5. These are the 8 formulas. But we know that these are only single numbers, only 4 unit numbers. But if tens place will come, then behind 1 0 you have to put. Like that, if we will talk about tens place, these are the unit place numbers. If we have to add 1, add 2, add 3, these all are unit place numbers. So these formulas related to unit place. But tens place, we need 2-digit number. So behind you have to put 1 0. Adding 10, add 20. Behind means after 1 you have to keep 1 0. So what are the formula of plus 10? Behind you have to keep 1 0. Same formulas. If you know these unit place formulas, then you can easily solve it. Just behind you have to keep 1 0. So adding 10, what is the small friend formula of adding 10? Add 50 minus 40 means for 10 your best friend is 40 and your common friend is 50. For adding 20, your common friend is 50 and your best friend is 30. So add 50 minus your best friend 30 plus 30 your common friend, adding your common friend plus 50 minus your best friend minus 20. So 40, best friend of 40 is 10. So add common friend 50 minus subtract your best friend 10. Similar negative formulas are there. Just behind you have to keep 1 0. This is the only difference. So total 8 formulas are there, not needed 16 formulas are there. Just these are the tens place. When 100 place will come, then you have to keep 2 zeros behind 1. Similarly, it will be goes off. Okay? Then only 8 formulas are there. But here maybe 2-digit sum will come. Up to 2 digit. Up to like this sums will come. Tens place and unit place.